Where did it go? I've disassembled, repaired, and assembled literally thousands of PS4s. Since I consider myself an expert, my wife challenged me to do a PS4 repair blindfolded and upload it to YouTube for you guys to watch. And to that I said, challenge accepted. How this is gonna work is I'm gonna start the timer, I'm gonna put the blindfold on, and then I'm gonna disassemble the PS4. Once I have the disassembly complete, I'll take a little break, and then I'll do the reassembly blindfolded. I'll be filming this the entire time. I might speed up a few parts if the video gets too long, but I won't cut away during the disassembly and during the reassembly. Now with all that being said, let's get started. Now for this repair, I'm actually just gonna be replacing the thermal paste on this PS4. I have all my tools laid out, I have the timer set up, so I'm gonna press go and start the disassembly. And here we go. Blindfold is on, I can literally see nothing. Got the PS4 here, tools here. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I hope I can keep this in the screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take off these screws in the back first. Let's see, let's put our screws right there. And here we go. My big concern is I'm worried I'm gonna lose my tools, or there's not a screw in that one. Well, that makes that one easy. Okay. I'm gonna flip it around. Remove the back, bottom cover, I mean. Okay, now let's start a pile right there. That'll be our parts pile. Okay, we got a fan, so we're gonna take the power supply out next. So I need, not that. Okay, here we go. So there should be a screw here. Yep. One. Okay, and I need to do a different pile here because I can't see what's what. So let's start a pile of silver screws there. So that's the second compartment down from here. Okay, there should be a screw in the middle. Is that the middle? I think that's the middle. Okay, now I need a Phillips screwdriver. This should be a Phillips to take these out. I really hope that was not it. There we go. Really hope this is in frame so you guys can see it. Okay, the two power supply screws. Now I should be able to pull this up. There we go. And then, oh, I forgot pliers. I need pliers. Here's pliers. Okay, this is gonna be difficult because I need to pull up on the connector side of the power supply, not the motherboard side. Oh boy. I don't know if that's it. I hope so. I can't tell. Okay. Where am I going here? There we go. Okay. Got it. Yes. Totally forgot about doing that. I'll leave my pliers there in case I need them. Power supply we'll put in our pile right here. Okay. Now this one should have, okay, this is for the disk drive. Is that bent? Feels like it's bent or something. Oh no, there we go, got it, okay. That, and then the Wi-Fi antenna should be right there. And then, oh yeah, we got one more connector here for the disk drive. Okay, pliers. Don't like doing this blindfolded, this is ridiculous. Got it. Okay, I think that was one of the more difficult parts. Now, that should be all good, if I remember right. Now let's flip it over. Okay. So hard drive cover, smooth. we go. Pull up here, pull up here. Okay, we got those out. Good. There we go. Okay, good there. Okay, is that all of them? Did I miss one? I feel like, is that one? I feel like that's not one. Okay, I'm gonna lift up on the metal cover and just see what it feels like. Okay, I definitely forgot one over here somewhere. Ah, where is it? Oh. Duh, I have to remove the clamps. Okay. Okay, so there's that. Let's put that right here by the power supply screws. Okay, now will the metal plate come off? Good so far? Okay, great. So, you're missing some thermal pads. Okay, well, hopefully they're there where they need to be. I'll put this over here. Hopefully that'll stay. I think it will. Okay, we do need to remove the fan connector. For that, I need my small, regular flathead screwdriver. I gotta get under here and too far. Pop it up. Perfect. Okay. Is there anything else? I think that's all we need. I think it's ready to come out. Will the motherboard come out? I hope so. There we go. Sort of. Okay. So, thermal paste and thermal paste, right? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is clean that off. I'm going to take my Q-tip, clean it all off of the APU. Just like this. You got to make sure it's all off, just like I'm doing, get it nice and clean. Oh yeah, you can tell that's just getting nice and clean. Okay, and then we have to clean it off of this part too. Okay, if I can find my garbage can. Now let's get one more Q-tip, you know, just to make sure it looks real nice and clean. Now this part is very important. We need to put on the right amount of thermal paste. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, ready? There we go. The perfect amount. And you want it right in the middle of the chip, just like I have it there. Okay. Now that we have the thermal paste in and it's perfectly right in the middle chip where we want it, I'm going to put the motherboard back in to the PS4 case mid-frame. And the back needs to kind of go up like this. And then we just kind of slide it in like oh, well, that's ridiculous. Wait. It's got to go like this. Okay. Okay, now let's try that. This goes back here. Is that where all the ports are? Yeah, all the ports are there. All the ports are there. So this should go. Do we get it? No. There we go. Okay, I think, did that go? Perfect. Okay. Plug the fan connector back in. Feels good. Okay. Now we need to put the top plate back on. After I get this top plate placed, then I will take a break. Okay, here we go. This should be correct. Should be able to place that on there. Like that. Okay, I'm going to take my blindfold off, stop the timer, take a little break, and then we'll do the reassembly. Okay, and stop. Wow, that is so bright. How's it look? Not too bad. Everything's organized. Actually, it looks pretty good. All right, I'm going to take a little break, and then we'll get back to it and see if I can assemble it. That is so bright. Okay, I've taken a break, gotten some water. Now I got to get it put back together the rest of the way. So I'm going to start the timer, then I'll put my blindfold on and get going. All right, here we go. Okay, so first things first, we're going to need this clamp right here. Okay, there we go. And there we go. Next, we're going to need our Phillips screwdriver. Okay, I need to make sure to remember where that is. I'm going to be using that next for when I do the hard drive, which is right here. And I think I put the hard drive screw right here, which goes right in there, I think. Oh, there we go. We'll try it with the screwdriver. That is right here. Okay. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Try this. So this goes on right there, and this should go on right there. Okay, I know I put the screwdriver Where did it go? That's it. You get out of here. No girls allowed. New rule. No girls allowed in the YouTube studio. Go away. Okay. Now we can finish this, hopefully. Okay, so this will probably be a lot easier without my assistant. Now I can plan on where to keep my screwdriver that'll actually stay here if I can find it. Here we go. Okay. Okay, this should just screw right. Okay, good. Now will the hard drive. Okay, all good. Hard drive's in. Now what do we need to do? Let's put my screwdriver here since I know it'll actually be there now. Now let's put all the screws in that go around this because that will probably take the longest. So let's get that done next. Just had to check and make sure I was still recording. I promise I wasn't looking for screws. Okay, here we go. Okay, I know there's some along here somewhere. I can't figure out where they are though. There's another one along here somewhere that I have to get in here, but I don't know where it is. Is that it? Ah, there we go. Got it. Okay, I think maybe that's all the ones on this metal plate for now. Now we need to turn it over and get the power supply installed and all the little cables, the ribbon cable for the disk drive and stuff like that. So let's get this one over here for the disk drive. There we go, that one's in. And now this one, oh, this is gonna be hard. Is it in? Oh, wow, awesome. Okay, that one's in. Now this one could also be very difficult. Oh, I randomly got it. Perfect. Okay, that's all in there correctly. Now I need the power supply. Okay, so this connector should go right here in this connector. And there we go. Okay, and then it should flip down. Okay. Okay, there's a hard drive cover. Here's the other cover. There's the back. There we go. Okay. What's really funny is I know if I've forgotten anything, I know you guys are screaming at your computer screens right now or phone screens right now. But I don't know if I've forgotten anything. Let's see how many screws we have. We should have 2 silver screws, unless that did I just knock one over here? 1, 2, but there's 3 silver screws unless I mixed them up. So I should have an extra silver screw. No idea where that goes. Yeah, okay. So there's only 2 screws that goes on this top cover. So, and right now I have 1 silver screw, so that means I missed one oh, I know where it is. It's the one, I think there's one that goes right under here somewhere. Okay, that should be on. Now I've got to put the black screws in the back. Okay, which I need this, not that one, this, not that one. Here we go. Come on, okay. Done. Let's pause the timer. Stop. How'd we do? Oh, I got a black screw and a silver screw mixed up. Okay, so what I want to do, let's figure out where that silver screw goes, because that kind of drives me nuts. I know where it goes, but I just couldn't find it. So we need to take this top cover off real quick. Oh, no. Here we go. Right there. Okay, that's easy. Okay, so not bad. I disassembled it, put new thermal paste in, and then reassembled it. I had only 1 screw left over. Come on, that's not too bad, right? Now I can't wait to watch this back to see how I did on the thermal paste. I have a feeling I'm gonna need to take it all back apart and reapply that thermal paste. But all that being said, we need to figure out if it turns on. Yes, it turns on, it shows up on the screen. It's not overheating so far. Hopefully some thermal paste actually came out. I have no idea. I probably could have done this challenge even faster if it wasn't for my assistant, but even still, 36 minutes, 33 seconds I feel like isn't too bad for being completely blindfolded for this challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one.